what is the value of a, given that you have 4 to the power of a minus 1 equals 20. Then let's have it to be solution from here. Then let's recall that when we have a to the power of m minus n from the law of indices, this equals as a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. So when we apply it here, we are going to have it to be 4 to the power of a divided by 4 to the power of 1, then equals 20. Then from here, we have here to be equals 4 to the power of a divided by 4. 4 to the power of a divided by 4. 4 to the power of 1 will give us 4 equals 20. Then let's cross multiply when this divided by 1. So here we have 4 to the power of a times 1 will give us to the 4 to the power of a equals 4 times 20. But let's put them in parentheses. So having known this one, let us introduce log to both sides. When we introduce log to both sides of this expression, so we are going to have here to be log 4 to the power of a equals log 4 times 20. Then recall that when we have log p to the power of m, this power m will come down to base as m multiplied by log p. Then when we have log a times b, as we have something like this here, this can be simplified as log a plus log b. So let's apply the power law here and apply this product that change to addition here. So here will be a times log 4 equals, here we also have it to be log 4 plus log 20. Then let's divide through by log 4. When we divide through by log 4, so from here, this log will divide by this, we have 1 times a. So here will be a equals log 4 plus log 20 divided by log 4. Then divide this by this, divide this by this. We have a to be equals log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 20 divided by log 4. Log 4 divided by log 4 will give us 1. So here will be a equals 1 plus log 20 divided by log 4. But let us note one thing, that when we have 5 times 4 will give us 20. So let's substitute it here and put them in parentheses as this. So here will be a equals 1 plus log 5 times 4, when we put them in parentheses, divided by log 4, this 4. And again, when we also have log a multiplied by b, this can be simplified as log a plus log b. And we apply it here. We are going to have a to be equals 1 plus log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4. So from here, a will be equals 1 plus, let's divide this by this. We also divide this by this. Then it will be log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4. So from here we have a to be equals 1 plus log 4. We also divide by log 4. We give us 1 plus log 5 divided by log 4. So we have a to be equals 1 plus 1 will give us 2 plus log 5 divided by log 4. Then let us recall that when we have log a divided by log b equals as log a in base b. So when you apply it here, we are going to have a to be equals 2 plus log 5 in base 4. So our a equals 2 plus log 5 in base 4. Then let us now check recall that we have 4 to the power of a minus 1 equals 20. Then the value of a equals this. So we are going to have it to be 4 to the power of a is 2 plus log 5 in base 4, then minus 1. So going to give us 20. So we have 4 to the power of 2 minus 1 plus log 5 in base 4. Then this is going to give us 20. So this will be 4. 2 minus 1 will give us 1 plus log 5 in base 4. Then it's going to give us 20. Now let us recall that when we have a to the power of m plus n equals a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, where our m is 1, n is log 5 in base 4. So here will be 4 to the power of 1 multiplied by 4 to the power of log 5 in base 4. Then this is going to give us 20. So 4 to the power of 1 will give us 4, meaning 4 times 1 multiplied by 4 to the power of log 5 in base 4. Then it's going to give us 20. Now let us recall that anytime when we have log a, this base a to the power of log b in base a, you can see that this base equivalent to this base. So for this, the output of this expression that we have here will be b. And this also implies that when we have 2 to the power of log 3 in base 2, so far this and this are the same, the output of this expression will be equals 3. So for this, 4 is here, 4 is also here. So the output of this expression will be 5. And we have this one here, 4. So here will be 4 times 5, which equals 20. The left hand side equals 4 times 5, which equals 20, equals the right hand side, 20. The left hand side equals to the right hand side. And this implies that a equals 2 plus log 5 in base 4 satisfy the problem given to us. So if you are new here once again, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos. Then let me introduce you to the fastest way. Recall that, let's say we call this one method 2, the short method. We have 4 to the power of a minus 1 equals 20. So this will be 4 to the power of a divided by 4 equals 20. So this will be 4 to the power of a equals 80. And from here, a simply means we are going to have here to be log 80 in base 4. And this short method. Bye.